Let me just tell you something. You're not the only one smashing, bro. If you think you're the only one smashing, then you delusional. And then, boy, your shorty gonna know. Believe that. Your shorty gonna know. If you take this, your shorty gonna know. Hey, yo, what it do, man? It's your boy BK Smooth Killer. Hey, I appreciate everybody for watching the ads and the consultation and all that, man. So I got a good joint for this joint today. So this man asked me a question. He hit me out, right? He said, hey, bro, I've been watching your videos, you know what I'm saying? My game be getting tight, you know what I'm saying? I be talking to the host. Everything be going good. So I got a shorty over, you know what I mean? I'm like, all right, it's going good. I got a shorty over. I smashed her, but now she giving me the silent treatment. Right after I smash, what's going on, bro? Like, this shit is, this shit is coming, you know what I'm saying? And I ain't gonna go right ahead with the answer that y'all think I'm gonna give y'all, because let me tell y'all something, bro. Silent treatment. And then listen, and then he asked me, he said, so what do you think about silent, bro? You think, like, what do you think about silent? Like, how you get comfortable? Yeah, this shit is funny because this shit got the man questioning life, bro. That's what the joint will do to you. You have you questioning something. You know what I mean? So let me tell you something, bro. Let me tell you something first about the chick. What happened there? I'm saying there's multiple reasons, 100 reasons that could have happened there. But let me just tell you something about silent, bro. This is a shit test. If you're confident within yourself and you put in work, you know what I'm saying? Because let me tell you, man, when it comes to smashing these chicks, most dudes not putting in work. I'm telling you. They be telling me, man, be like, man, and you can tell. Because they be so attached afterwards, you know what I'm saying? Like, damn, son. Niggas ain't digging on these shorties. Yo, leave me alone for something. You know what I mean? So, listen. When a shorty give you a, hey, bro, you got to check yourself and be honest. Because most dudes don't want to be honest with themselves, man. You got to be honest first, and then from there you can move on and make progress. You know what I'm saying? So let me tell you something, bro. It's funny as shit. Let me tell you something, bro. Let me tell you something about silent. For then we're gonna come back to the chick. Because I like to focus on you, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna tell you the chick is I want you to know that you have the power, not the chick, you know what I'm saying? So we're not gonna focus on her right now for the reasons why she cutting you off. You know what I'm saying? Bitch could have some goddamn thing going on right now. I mean, don't overthink this joint, but let me tell you something about silent, bro. From silence, everything speaks. From silence, everything arises. You know what I'm saying? Everything that's a sound, before sound, there's silence. You know what I'm saying? So before the physical, there's the non-physical. It's the same thing. You know what I'm saying? The more you stay silent, the more that silent will speak to you. That's where our knowledge comes from silent. You know what I'm saying? This is why in meditation you stay silent. You feel me? You get deep into yourself. Real deep, real quiet. You know what I'm saying? Beyond sound, beyond outlet. You know what I mean? This is why whenever you're meditating, you can be saying, oh, I can't focus, or there's a lot of noise, there's music playing. Nah, none of that matter, because you're going to be in a deep state. You know what I mean? Sounds will be going on and that won't matter. You feel me? If you really get deep into, this shit shocking me, because it shouldn't be a joint, it shouldn't be a culture that made you question something about silent, bro. It should just be life overall. You know what I mean? But hey, it happens. You feel me? It happens. You know what I mean? So the more you stay in silent, the more you get to know yourself. Listen, let me tell you something. Old warriors, not just old warriors, deep warriors. We had warriors, we had Vikings, we had African warriors, we had Mandingas, we had Bantu warriors. This is African shit. I'm just educate y'all on that too. You know what I'm saying? So let me tell you something. They had to separate themselves from the pack. You know what I'm saying? And animals do this too, and go into deep silence to prepare themselves. You know what I'm saying? You can see this. You can try this for a month. You know what I'm saying? You feel you can strengthen yourself up to a certain mental state, which is just like raising your energy. It's not much. You know what I'm saying? But from silence out, that everything comes from silence, bro. Everything is more powerful than you think. You know what I'm saying? It's just like the invisible or the non-physical is more powerful than the physical. You know what I mean? So it just has as much as effect, but it shouldn't be a culture that made you question. You shouldn't be a question that made you question life. Now, let me tell you about the shorty, bro. When it comes to this joint, let me just tell you something. You're not the only one smashing, bro. If you think you're the only one smashing, then you're delusional. You know what I'm saying? You're delusional, bro. Like I said, the average chick that you know right now is texting 3 dudes. The most, just 6. She's 6. She probably a 6. She texting 3 dudes. Just the minimum. You know what I'm saying? You gotta put that into your head, bro. Whenever you wake up to female nature, don't just be speaking out your mouth, female nature, nah. The average chick is texting three dudes that's entertaining her, and she giving it up to some two or some, and she contemplating about giving it up to 4 more that's already on the list. Come on, man. You gotta know this shit. This is why I tell you, you gotta have your rotation too. Have your rotation so that you're not worrying about this joint. Let's say a chick try to silence me. I wouldn't know. I wouldn't even know. I wouldn't care, and I wouldn't know. How would I ever find out, right? It's so many, bro. Yo, can you come over? I'm like, I'm busy. Yo, can I come? Yo, nah. You know what I mean? It feel like everybody's chasing me. You don't feel like they on silent. Yeah, they chick that don't text me after, but I don't notice that. And I don't care. I don't know what happened. You know what I mean? But hey, the rotation is solid, and it's being solid. You know what I'm saying? All you gotta do is rotate and replace and replace. You know what I'm saying? You can listen. Stop looking at yourself like it's your fault. You know what I'm saying? Otherwise, you always give these women the power. Don't just look at yourself like it's your fault. Nah, I messed it up, man. I probably didn't pipe it down real good. It's probably me, man. Nah, bro. Think about it, right? Look, man, these John don't know what shit. And don't be delusional either. This is not about being delusional. Like, it's just what alpha traits. You know what I'm saying? This is what you're supposed to have. Like, yo, like, it's not me. You know what I mean? Like, it's not me. It's her. You know what I'm saying? Like, it has to be her. There's no way it's me. Like, but you know what I'm saying? Like, this is what it is, bro. And listen, when dudes tell you, man, you gotta be realistic, man. Them dudes don't know what they're talking about. If you, of course, there's a fine line between there, and there's a fine line there. You know what I mean? We all know this, bro. Nobody gotta tell you, like, we all know this. Of course, you know when it's not what you think it is. You feel me? But stop putting the blame on yourself, and every time strengthen yourself up, because that has to do with your self-esteem. You know what I'm saying? Don't just put yourself down when something goes left. You know what I mean? Trust yourself, bro. You know what I'm saying? This is why I'm not saying like, oh, she probably thought that you have a low state, or she probably thought that. Nah, bro. She got other dudes entertaining her, and she's also like preying on that emotion from you. You know what I'm saying? Like, she wants to suck you in even more, even. Like, look how you questioning shit. You questioning life, bro. That girl, you got the man questioning life, son. It's crazy. You know what I'm saying? This is what it do to ya. You dig what I'm saying? But let me tell you something, bro. When it comes to this smashing shit, I'ma give y'all. I already gave y'all the Macaru joint. I gave y'all the Macaru joint. But since y'all my dog for real, and y'all be watching the ads, I be seeing y'all be watching the ads, and y'all be hitting me out for consultation, I'ma just give y'all this one right here, because I ain't gotta hold up for nothing. You know what I mean? Listen, this joint right here will influence you so much. Listen, besides making you a god with these shorties, it's gonna make you healthy as hell. It's gonna like get your blood flowing through your guts like real good. It's gonna define your muscle. You're gonna have more blood flow. You're gonna like reduce your stress. You feel me? This is natural herb. You know what I'm saying? I actually got it right there, but I don't feel like getting it. You know what I'm saying? Maybe another video, I'll get it. I'll put another joint explaining how to take it, how much to take it. But this joint, you can get it right now, son. And the name of this joint, before I give y'all the name of this joint, let me tell y'all what they used to do. They used to give these horses, the stallion. Listen, they even call it the smell of the horse. You know what I'm saying? They even call it the smell of the horse. They used to give this joint to a stallion to make that joint go crazier. You know what I'm saying? That big ass horse. You know what I'm saying? They give that joint to that joint, make it go crazy. But it has so many benefits for the humans. You feel me? It increases your brain blood flow. It increases your all that joint, man. I'm not a nutritionist. I just know that this joint is good for you. You know what I'm saying? I take this joint and I know this, and it gives you strength too. And if you work out, it helps your muscle recover much faster. You know what I'm saying? And then, boy, your shorty gonna know. Believe that. Your shorty gonna know. If you take this, your shorty gonna know. Know what I'm saying? Listen, bro. Listen, man, listen. Y'all my dog. That's why I give y'all this joint. The name of this joint is. I know. Listen, some of y'all probably already know because y'all be knowing all this shit too. Y'all be experts out here. Listen, the name of this joint is Ashwagandha. Go look for it, Ashwagandha. Go get this joint. You can find this joint at your local store. They have it. Go look for this joint, bro. It ain't hard to find. You know what I'm saying? If you look for this joint, take this joint, it's gonna help you get healthier. It's gonna help. Listen, even if you meditate or you feel anxious and depressed all the time or your levels of energy are messed up, start taking this joint. Start taking this joint. You know what I'm saying? Listen, I have it here, but I'm gonna make another video, probably like making a smoothie or something, just showing y'all how much y'all should take. You know what I'm saying? Cause hey, with these herbs and shit, listen, don't kill yourself now, man. There's a limit when it comes to taking these herbs. You know what I'm saying? Like some people just want to be healthy, and all they want to do is be healthy, and they think if I take all this healthy shit, then I'm good. Come on, son. Y'all gotta know. Y'all gotta know that there's limits to this shit. You gotta take like slowly, and gotta know that maybe you take 3 times a week. You know what I'm saying? All that. But I don't make another video with all that. You know what I'm saying? I got y'all. You feel me? Hey, let me know what questions, what deep, real questions y'all got. Let me know what's up with it, man. I'ma answer that. You know what I'm saying? I can make videos back to back. Just let me know what's up with it. You feel me? Hey, it's your boy BK Smooth Killer, man. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this joint, man. We blowing up, man. That's what's up, man. It's blessings. You hear what I'm saying? Bang, we out of here.